gorgeous day as usual out here in Connecticut. What the heck is up, my guys? We're going to freaking Ronnie's shop. Oh yeah, I feel not mint. I feel a lot better. All right, I feel a lot better. We're going to. Why I say Ronnie's shop? We're going to the shop. We're going to the joint shops, and I guess what we're doing today. All right, you can probably tell by the title. We're building another loft, and we're gonna build another loft because we need storage in that bay so we can clean out ours, because I can't have bullshit in my bay at all, or I can't fit 2 cars in there. So everything is gonna have to go in that bay, and we're gonna make a machine shop / storage bay out of that one. We'll put all the heavy equipment, all that good stuff. All the locks are the same for those 3 bays, so I have the key to them or whatever. So like, it doesn't matter if like some of my tools go in there. It doesn't matter as long as I have space for 2 cars. All right. We'll see you guys at the damn shop. It's raining. The highway is shit. I don't want to friggin'. The car doesn't move. Come on. Watch out! Here I come. All right. I'll see you guys over there.
Shout to all the stores, shout to all the websites, shout to all the blogs and all that.
So I just got here. Admiring Ronnie's tow rig real quick.
What's happening?
Put it one side.
How in God's name are we gonna do this? We gotta cut the hole. Oh shit.
No, it's
Should
fine.
do this hang right there and then screw it this does over there.
Oh.
Put a block underneath to hold it.
Oh.
Little extra.
I didn't even see that you already put that one out.
It ain't gonna hold crazy weight. It's just boxes of dumb shit that gotta get out of the way.
Yeah. I mean, it's closer than my shits are. So
They got it all in the center.
it'll probably freaking hold a little bit more. So I've just been helping Ronnie out with this, me and Rachel. And yeah, so the whole video of this will be on his channel. I will link it in said, well, I'll link his channel because I don't know when his video is going to be out, but I'll link the channel in the description. And I'll be doing moving and stuff and cleaning up in my bay. Putting some stuff here, putting stuff there. We'll be good. Maybe make some shelves, I don't know. In a construction mood today. Oh, nice. I screwed this to the wall. Ronnie donated it. Alright, I've been doing this for a little bit. You know, it hasn't been too long though. And I really, you can't even tell from back here that like anything has moved.
No?
No, because all this stuff is still here. Once everything is kind of pushed to the back, it'll be good. Freaking engines, guy. Like I said, I got both the engines in here, and I got the press and all of these here holes, these supports in here. Still have a lot of stuff to move from here, but you guys will see the whole scale of this on Ronnie's video. Now it's time to do the extra 2 feet on that side of my loft, and hopefully both these freaking, or screw rather, the shelves to the wall and move as much as I can to the top of it and kind of try to clear out the bottom area. Oh god. Oh man. Freaking all by myself here. Ronnie's been busting ass since before I even got here. You guys, like I said, we'll see that in his video. But I just threw a full piece of wood underneath this. I was like, I don't care. Bolted it down, got the wall supports good. Got these shelves up. Now what I'm gonna do is in between each shelf, I'm gonna freaking put a screw. Like 1, 2, 1, 2. This is like screwed to the wall. Well, to the beams rather. And I'll still have room to put insulation behind that, so that's good. We'll go ahead and do that. And like this one right here needs like a bolt in it or something. I'll probably just end up welding it. These things aren't gonna move, so let me screw these things in. Then we can start moving stuff up here and start cleaning down there out, because like I said many times, I don't want shit down there but 2 cars, a toolbox, maybe a couple other things. That's it though, nothing else. Well, got them bolted in, screwed in, whatever the hell you want to call them. So some of these just need to be tightened, but other than that, like, they're all dumb sturdy. Even this shit one is sturdy. Gotta tighten that. But hell yeah, guys, I told you. Ain't fucking around. I'm being as productive and what do you want to call it? Like, I'm trying to be as efficient as possible here. Have as much room, as much storage, as much workspace as I can. And that means down there, all of the workspace, like the whole floor is going to be my workspace. Like the entire area is just going to be for my cars. And anything that like would have been along the walls in the old shop, anything like that, the fridge has to come up here, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or something, but we need the forklift for that because we ain't bringing it up those stairs. So I left this, I brought these, I was going to put them right up against the wall, but I kind of left the corner because I could put shit here. And then I'll leave like this much as like a walking thing right here. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll build shelves off of this wall. I don't know. I just kind of want like one open storage area where it's just, you know, it's not super big, but we put some tires here. Put, actually, all 4 of those new tires I just got are going to go right here, matter of fact. And then right here, gonna get some more shelves. I'm thinking for right here, I kind of want some like shallower shelves maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll get like those Amazon shelves. I don't know. Something like that. But I want to do that and then possibly make cubbies above here. And also, I want to show you guys another thing that I want to do that is going to be sick in that I got an idea for. I'll probably actually do that tomorrow. Go get some wood and do this up. But as to have nothing obstructing the floor, someone actually commented, I'll go find the screenshot, I'll put his name over here on the screen, but they commented, why don't I make this table fold up? And I'm like, dude, battery died, but I was like, dude, how have I not thought about that? The table is the perfect width to utilize these giant ass studs. Perfect width, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lob off these back friggin' legs right here. Those are gonna be gone completely. Get some giant hinges, weld the hinges to the table so the table can fold up, make some type of lock, and yeah, that's literally it. And then what I'm gonna do is on both sides, up here, like down, probably like down to here. So it'll be like a 2 foot long down, just make cubbies along both walls, and then from here to here on both sides, and then leave the middle open for the table. And I'll literally have cubbies along all of here, all of there, a fold down table, and then for the other shit, I mean, like maybe I'll leave this in here, and like a welding, like the welder and the welding cart will be like right there, and like the toolbox. But that's, as for like space taking up, that's literally it. And then I'll have mad room for my car. But anyway, this video's kind of sucked to film because it's a lot of like working and it's a lot of shit I can't really record. So I try to do as much explaining as I can, which, I mean, some people don't like, some people like it. I'm just trying to give you guys an idea, maybe get some feedback from you guys on what you think about my idea. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about that idea? I think it'd be great because I wouldn't have to put shelves against the wall. Like all of this wall space would be free. The cubbies would be up here, not interfering with anything, and they'd literally encompass this whole thing up to this stud, empty right here so the table could fold up from stud to stud all the way across. That's it. Like literally like 1.5 foot deep cubbies. That's it. I mean, Ronnie's not going to use this wood, so I have plenty of wood. Maybe not even cubbies, just straight up shelves. Like, it'd be so easy, and I could just hang them from these things right here. I think that'd be dope. I don't know. Let me know. It's not like it's going to be in the way of anything, but I am going to get to work. I have a lot to move in here, and I'll get back to you guys. It's looking way bigger now, which is mint. So yeah, so along this wall to here, skip this to here, or from here to here to here, there are 2 big ass shelves. I didn't take everything up there because a lot of this stuff I'm just gonna throw up on these shelves. I will show you up there, but stuff like, I don't know, the exhaust and whatnot, like can be shelves, or I'm also gonna get some hooks for over here. I don't know. I could hang whatever. Also, my main thing is literally just keep everything off the actual ground. Can't say it enough. So I'm gonna keep saying it. And you guys are gonna friggin' just start commenting on my videos. Keep things off the ground. I'm gonna like drop a tool, forget to pick it up. Someone's gonna be in the comments, keep it off the ground. All the ground space is valuable working space. I can fit 2 cars here mint if there is absolutely nothing else in it. And that's what we got so far. This stuff is obviously gonna be condensed. I just kind of threw whatever boxes were down there up here, threw the tires up here, threw my new tires up here. And I mean, we still have all this other shelf space left. And like I said, like all this stuff can be vastly condensed. This is just how I moved everything here. So I just shoved everything in boxes, unorganized, and ran it to this shop. But pretty damn mint. Now we need some shelves for this side, and we are pretty damn. I don't want to say we're good because I'm always gonna want to make improvements. Like at some point, I feel like there's gonna be a floor. There's gonna be like another 3 stairs right here, or like a ladder that goes to another floor that goes over the door. And there's gonna be even more storage over here. Whatever. Even like I kind of want to put like a walk right here that'll go that way, and then it'll just like kind of cut off at the window. And then you could put stuff in front of the window, whatever. I don't know. You guys, we're doing good. We're pretty damn organized so far. A lot more organized than the other shop. I'm utilizing space a lot better. I don't know about you, but I think I gotta be the first guy. I gotta be the first haggard guy to fuck with shelves. All right. So if you fuck with shelves, let me know, because I fuck with shelves heavy. If you guys want to see us building Ronnie's Loft, his channel link will be in the description. It'll be on the screen right now. Go subscribe to him. He's going to start putting out videos. His problem is he doesn't want to put out like just videos. Like he wants to put out interesting to watch videos. So I'm telling him to try to record something every day that adds up to about an hour of raw footage and condense it down to like 15 minutes or so. But that's just my advice to him. Everyone makes videos differently. So we're going to see how they come out. He's actually pretty damn good at editing. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are stoked for all this shit that we're doing. And that's a creaky board right there. But, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I gotta go freaking edit and whatnot. I'm gonna chill here. I'm gonna go refill the propane, but then I'm gonna chill here and edit and look at my shelves. Peace out.